Today we will make egg fried rice. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Add 1½ tablespoon of oil. Add ½ teaspoon of cumin seeds. One teaspoon of garlic. ½ teaspoon of crushed green chili. Two tablespoons of onions. About 1/3 cup of chopped carrot. About 1/3 cup of green pepper. 1/4 cup of corn. 1/4 cup of green peas. Mix well. Now add salt to taste. One teaspoon of cumin powder. One teaspoon of garam masala. One teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix well and please like and subscribe to my channel. Now add 1½ cup of rice. Mix properly. Be sure to heat on medium-low flame. Crack 2 eggs into a saucepan. Start to scramble eggs. Add the scrambled eggs in the rice. Mix well. Now your egg fried rice is ready. If you like my recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And please check out my social media and other videos.